Millions of people around the world have witnessed UFOs. In fact, many of them have undergone bizarre, otherworldly UFO experiences from visions of angel-like apparitions and alien abduction. New research and insight exposes that this phenomena is not new. Amazingly, it has been going on for a millennia. The oral tradition of many indigenous cultures told of higher beings that came down to Earth, beings that were uniquely aware of the laws of the universe, enabling them to travel vast distances and hidden dimensions in space and time. These ancient peoples described star people that came from the heavens and taught them about the cosmos and their place in it. In some cases, these primitive peoples intimately knew our solar system, the number of planets, their orbits, even what they look like up close. They arrived, and they became masters over planet Earth and created a hybrid race in our most distant past. The ancients knew them as the Watchers. They taught these ancient races humanity, art, culture, agriculture, architecture, technology. Technology we are only now beginning to rediscover. Hear the incredible story of mankind's ancient past as we reveal these amazing mysteries in Alien Watchers.